Imagine this, you're standing in line at your favorite coffee shop, watching as the barista takes orders. The last 4 customers all ordered vanilla lattes. As you step up to order your usual caramel macchiato, a thought pops into your head. Surely the next customer won't order vanilla again. That would be 5 in a row. Sound familiar? This is the gambler's fallacy in action, not in a Vegas casino, but in your everyday morning routine. And it's tricking you far more often than you realize. Why our brains bet against reality. Let's start with something we've all experienced, waiting for a subway train. You check the arrival board, 2 minutes it says. 2 minutes pass, then 3, then 4. With each passing moment, you grow more certain, it has to come now. But the train doesn't care how long you've waited. Its arrival isn't influenced by your patience. This same illusion affects your commute, that fast lane you switched to because the other lane was moving. Suddenly it stalls while cars zoom past you. Your brain screams this isn't fair, but traffic patterns don't care about fairness. Your phone, you're waiting for an important text. They replied immediately last time, so when hours pass, you think they must be ignoring me. But maybe they're just busy, response times don't follow patterns. The weather, after a week of rain, you confidently plan a picnic thinking we're due for sun. Only to get soaked again. Weather systems don't keep score. The supermarket checkout trap. Here's one we've all fallen for. You're in line at the grocery store, carefully choosing what appears to be the fastest checkout. Just as you commit, the customer ahead pulls out a stack of coupons. The next lane over starts moving faster. Frustrated, you think if I switch now, my new line will slow down. But here's the truth, checkout speeds are random. Your decision to switch or stay doesn't magically affect the speed of other lanes. Yet we agonize over these choices as if we can outsmart randomness itself. Dating and the hot streak myth. Consider online dating. After 3 bad first dates in a row, you tell yourself the next one has to be better. But dating luck doesn't work that way. Each new match is essentially a random draw from the pool of potential partners. Even worse is the opposite assumption. When you meet someone great after several duds, you might think I'm on a roll, and rush into things. Both patterns are illusions. There is no dating momentum. Parenting probability puzzles. Parents, how many times have you thought? The baby's been crying for an hour, they have to sleep soon. My toddler threw 3 tantrums today, tomorrow will be better. We've had 2 girls, the next baby will be a boy. Child behavior and gender follows probability, not patterns. That colicky baby might cry just as long tomorrow. The gender of your next child remains 50-50 regardless of previous siblings. Sports superstitions we all share. Sports fans are especially prone to these illusions. He's missed 3 shots, he's due to make the next one. Our team always loses in this stadium, today will be different. I wore this jersey last time they won, it's lucky. Athletes' performances fluctuate randomly. That lucky jersey has no actual power. Yet we cling to these beliefs because our brains crave narrative. Financial fallacies that cost us money. This thinking hits hardest in our wallets. The stock's been falling for days, it has to rebound. Tell that to bankrupt investors. I've lost 5 hands in blackjack, I'm due for a win. Casinos love this thinking. This lottery number hasn't hit in months, it's bound to come up. The machine doesn't remember. Breaking the illusion. Here's how to fight back. Spot the story. When you think it's due to happen, ask, is there any real connection, or is my brain inventing one? Embrace maybe, accept that some things are truly random. The bus comes when it comes. Make smarter bets, in investments, relationships, and life, base decisions on facts, not imaginary patterns. The liberating truth. Life doesn't keep score. The universe doesn't owe you sunshine after rain, a good date after bad ones, or a win after losses. But understanding this? That's real power. Because when you stop expecting randomness to play fair, you start making better decisions. And that's the only jackpot that matters.